Hello and good day everyone. So you're watching the review of the Huawei Y7 Prime 2018, also known as the Huawei Nova 2 Lite. So in this video we will unbox this device and do a full complete review. So let's get into the unboxing video first. So I got this device for around rupees 19,000 PKR, which goes up around $190. So today we're gonna open this device up real quick. So this device was released in April of 2018. It's been 2 months since the device has been released. So let's just open this device up. I'm pretty much excited about this device because selling features of this device are pretty much of my consideration. Like it has the full view display and it has dual rear camera setup at the back. So let's just open this box. Here you can see the free SIM carrier internet you're getting with this device. Also the warranty cards and papers tagged up. And here's the IMEI number. So let's just open this box up. Here we go. This is the packaging of this Y7 Prime. So here at the back you can see some major key points of this device. Like it is saying that it has the Huawei full view display, the rear dual cameras, the latest EMUI version of Huawei plus Android version 8.0 Oreo, 3GB of RAM and 32GB of internal storage. Alright, so I'm done with the seal. Now let's just open this box pretty quick. And at the front you can see the device itself. This is the Huawei Y7 Prime 2018. It really feels a lot lightweight in my opinion. Like it's not heavy at all, giving it a size of 6 inches. Here you can see the major specs written here. So let's just keep this device to the side and let's just see what's inside the box. So here we got the protector. So Huawei is being nice there, putting protectors inside. So they do that with their every device. Yeah, so it's nothing new. The IMEI numbers. So here you can see the SIM card ejector tool, the Huawei quick start guide, and let's just so we also get a silicone pouch with the device. And along with that, so here are the headphones, which are pretty much the old standard Huawei has been using since their every device. And now here is the charging brick. As you can see, it is not a fast charger and the USB cable is USB 2.0. It is not the 3.0 or type C. So keep that in mind. So let's just put this thing to the side and let's focus on our main device, the Huawei Y7 Prime. So this is what you get inside the box. Other than that, there's nothing. We got ourselves the headphones, the charger, the data cable, the quick start guide, the protective cover and the silicone pouch, transparent one. So now let's just keep our focus to the device itself, the Huawei Y7 Prime or the Huawei Nova 2 Lite. So let's just take this device out of here. And wow, and coming at it, this is a pretty sleek device. So here is the device and at the back you can see the rear dual camera setup. One is a 13 megapixel camera and the other is a 2 megapixel camera. Second camera is used to blur the background while the primary camera is there to take the snap. Okay, so let's peel the cover off. Wow, it's pretty sleek. So it will give you the metal finish look and the metal feel, but let me tell you one thing, this is not metal at all. So this device is completely made up of plastic. At the side we got a chrome finish. So before diving into the video, let's just do a quick overview of this device. So at the back we got a 13 megapixel primary camera with a 2 megapixel secondary camera, which is mainly used to blur the background. You can use that from the camera menu in the aperture mode. And we also get a secondary microphone for noise cancellation. We got a fingerprint scanner, the Huawei branding at the bottom. At the bottom, we got a 3.5mm headphone jack, a USB 2.0 port for charging, and a primary microphone along with a speaker grill. At the right side of this device, we get the power key and the volume rockers. At the top we got nothing, and at the left side of this device we got the SIM card ejector tray, which features 2 SIM card slots and a memory card slot. To the front we got a Huawei branding at the bottom and a 6 inches half HD 720p screen display, and at the top we got the front camera, which is an 8 megapixel shooter, along with the speaker grill, and yeah, a notification light and some proximity sensors. So that was the physical overview of this device. Now let's get back to the review. Alright, so let's just power this device on. Here we go. Let's do our first boot. The Huawei logo. So this device is having a 720p 6 inches IPS LCD screen, and it consists of Android 8.0 Oreo, the latest version of Oreo. Alright, so here is the first boot. Let's just quickly boot this device up. Alright, it's time to set the fingerprint up. With the fingerprint you can answer your calls, take photos, videos, you can stop your alarm, you can show the notification panel, and you can browse your photos. Alright, fingerprint enrolled. Alright, so let's get started. Here is the device itself. So it's a pretty sweet device in my opinion. The viewing angles are great. This is the device. So I'll be making a side-by-side comparison with the Honor 8 Lite as well. If you guys wanna see that, also do comment down below. Full camera review. And inside this device we got a Snapdragon 430. But it will do the job just fine according to its price point. Like, it is perfect. And it is also having a 32 gigabytes internal storage with 3 gigabytes of RAM. The battery inside is 3000 mAh battery, and you can also adjust the screen resolution, but I guess that is of no use because you're already getting a 720p display. You don't want to make it more less and more pixelated. Anyways, here you can see 24 gigabytes is free out of 32, and we got the smart assistants. Let's just see which Android version we're having. The EMUI version is 8.0, the Android version is 8.0. Here you can see 8.0 Oreo. No game, that suck. Anyways, 3 gigabytes of RAM, the Snapdragon 430 is here, the screen resolution. Alright, also let me show you the rear camera of this device. To display the settings, so GPS tag. By swiping to the right, we got the settings. We got the HDR mode, the panorama mode. You can download more modes there. And swiping to the left will give you additional settings. From here you can adjust the screen resolution all the way to 5 megapixel to 13 megapixel. And touch to capture smiles and everything, ultra snapshot, volume button function, shutter icon and everything. So let's just quickly take a snap of this device. So the snapping speed is pretty speed in my opinion. Yeah. For a budget camera, this is beyond perfect. Look at the details you're getting with the device. That's crazy. So now let's talk about the secondary camera we get with this device, which is a 2 megapixel shooter. So to use this camera, you just go visit the camera app right here, and from there just select this aperture button right here. So you can see the wide aperture mode is now enabled, and you can select the aperture values from this button, and you can adjust the aperture level to blur the background or focus it completely. Like if you will drag this to the extreme left side, then your picture is gonna look a lot like that. Let me show you guys some blurry background. Here you can see So I don't know if you guys can see it properly or not, but as you guys can see, the background is pretty much blurred from every other area. Only the object is focused closely. You can see this. So this is the wide aperture mode you got with this device. Now let's head back. And this device is good for watching movies, playing games, and day-to-day performance will be a piece of cake on this device. So if you got big hands and you are in need of a budget smartphone with no high-end performances, like you just need it for your daily usage, like for movies, games and all that stuff, so you can get this device for $190 or rupees 19,000 PKR. It also has dual camera setup, the fingerprint scanner, and the speed of the fingerprint scanner is like, here we go. So it's pretty snappy, like here we go. So that is the speed of the fingerprint scanner. You can also unlock this device via your face. It does not have an iris scanner, but it does provide you with a face recognition software. So you can unlock your device with that, and you can play high-end games with this device also. We got the phone manager. So all around, this device is pretty solid and worth to buy device in my opinion. Like among all the budget series, this will do your job fine. So now as I'm done with the pros and the review of this device, so I just wanna give it a little more time to talk about the cons of this device, like the things I hated about this device. So first and foremost, the screen size of this device. Oh sorry, not the screen size, the screen resolution. So having this big device, it is a 6-incher, alright, and if you're gonna play movies, games in this device, I think this device should come up at least with a 1080p resolution, but here's not the case with that because it's coming up with just 720p resolution. So that's the first con in my opinion. Talking about the second con of this device is that this device Snapdragon chipset they are using, it is quite outdated in my opinion. This Qualcomm Snapdragon 430 is the processor which was used in earlier Huawei devices and earlier Samsung devices. So in this year 2018, I don't think this is gonna give you the best top-notch performance. So I think that is quite a con in my opinion. Other than that, this device is pretty much sleek. It has everything and it can provide you with great experience in day-to-day usage. So that was the cons of the device. Rather than that, this device is perfect. So this was the review of the Huawei Y7 Prime 2018. If you guys enjoyed this video, do give it a thumbs up down below, and you can post your queries in the comment section down below. I'll be answering them all, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video and found it helpful, and I'll catch you guys in my next video. Till then, take care. This is Sonic Network signing off. Peace.